get a first look at that weather impact alert. Chief Meteorologist Chris Holcomb joining us. A deep freeze, Chris.
That's the main thing that I really want people to focus on. I'm afraid that by focusing on snow chances for tomorrow, folks may be ignoring the freezing part of this, and we are in some really cold weather, just barely getting up to freezing for a high temperature today. And we have this weather impact alert in effect through Wednesday morning, and we're talking about not only cold, but part of the scenario of the impacts that we'll be dealing with is the potential for some snow in some spots during the day tomorrow. So what you need, protect your pipes, bring your pets in, protect yourself as well. And also you want to use caution later tomorrow driving, depending on the extent of the snow that moves in. Right now we're clear, nothing going on in our area right now. We have mainly sunny skies, and even the moisture we're watching that's going to be building, moving into our area, not a lot of that is even showing up yet on radar. So enjoy the clear skies, and even though we have the sunshine out there, it is still very cold. Here's what we're watching with our winter weather advisory. Now, all the counties you see here in purple, that does include Metro Atlanta, and it goes up toward Hall County and also over toward Banks County. This is in effect from 10 o'clock in the morning till 7 o'clock on Wednesday. We're saying up to 2 inches of snow. Mainly the 2-inch part would be well down to the south of us. North of I-20, that snow amount would be much less. But even if it is light accumulations in the Metro Atlanta area, the roads and the ground are so cold, even light accumulations tomorrow could cause some issues with travel. And then south of us, I know this is really odd to think that it's more of a winter storm warning on the south side, roughly from the Columbus area. That includes parts of Troup County over toward Upson County, around Macon, over toward Augusta, and all into South Georgia. That's where we have a winter storm warning in effect, and that's where we, again, could see some of those higher snowfall amounts south of us. Folks in the mountains of North Georgia, you may not see any snow at all, but down toward Macon in South Georgia, they have a better chance for seeing snow there. Our main thing for the rest of the evening hours tonight is going to be clear skies, very cold air. By tomorrow morning, we move down to the lower 20s. We will have partly cloudy skies tomorrow. If you are expecting to wake up tomorrow morning and see snow on the ground, you're not going to see it because we don't expect the moisture to move in until later in the day here on Tuesday. And that would be mainly Tuesday afternoon into the evening hour. So here's how we're breaking it down. Around Metro Atlanta, we're saying up to an inch. That doesn't mean we're going to get an inch. That just means that's probably the most that we could get here in our area. It all depends on the shifts of that line of how far north that moisture is going to go. South of us, we're going to see a ½ inch to maybe up to 2 inches. And then those higher amounts, 1 to 3 inches, would be down into parts of middle Georgia and on down into South Georgia as well. Stay with us. We've got a lot to talk about. We're going to break down more on the timing. We'll spend a little more time on these accumulations and let you know when we're ever going to warm up again. More on that coming up.